How to change the homepage in Google Chrome. So if you want to go and set your own custom homepage in Google, the first thing we need to do is click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side and then go and click on Settings. From the left navigation, click on Appearance and you'll see the option for Show Home Button. Make sure this is turned on. Now that's going to add a home button in the top of the navigation like so. You can then click on this checkbox and then you can enter the website that you want this home button to take you to. So in my case, I'm just going to type out google.com, but this could be your own custom website or any website you like. Now there's one more thing you need to do, so go and click on Startup from the left hand side, click on Open a specific set of pages and click on Add a new page. Now once again go and enter the website that you want to open when you first open up Google Chrome. You can then press Add. So now what's going to happen is when we click on this home button, it's going to take us over to that custom website. Also when you first load up the Chrome browser, it's going to take you over to this specific website. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.